In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Instagram caption font. So once you're on the Instagram posting process of your feed post, and then you're on the step where you need to go ahead and add your caption, what you want to do is go ahead and write out your caption. So as you can see, I've written out my caption. Then what you want to do is go ahead and long press on it, and then just tap on select all. That's going to go ahead and select your caption. Then just tap on the copy button. Now from here, we want to just quickly minimize Instagram and then go to a web browser on your phone. This can be Google Chrome, this can be Safari, this can be any browser. But then in the search bar, you just want to type instafonts.io. Tap search, and then you want to tap on there the first result, Instagram fonts. Tap on that. Now what it says at the top there, type or paste some text here. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in the caption that I wrote. And then as you can see, some fonts pop up that I can go ahead and use for my caption. Now they don't have every single custom font, but they do have quite a lot. So let's just say, for example, I like this one right here. This is kind of cool and retro. As you can see, if you go ahead and look at the right hand side of the text, it has that little clipboard. Tap on the clipboard, and as you can see, I've copied that. Then you want to go back onto Instagram, and then you can get rid of the text that you typed, and then you want to paste in the new text. So long press on where it says write caption, and then tap on paste. And as you can see, I've customized the text. Now that didn't look too much different, but it is different. You can go ahead and select any of the ones in the list there that you saw. And then you will just go through the posting process, tag people, add a location, everything like that. And then you can go ahead and post that to your Instagram page. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials. Take care.